Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give a reaction on different kind of content. It's a
Yes.
musical video, you can say.
Yes, and of course this is on Vadivel sir's video.
Yes.
Okay, so this one is Vadivel Vox 2.0 and this is the channel name. No, the channel name is Isai Pettai. Okay,
Yes.
so they are a great content creator,
Content creator. We have
and
seen
we have seen a lot of
a couple of videos of him, and
Yes.
those were fabulous. So
Yeah.
we thought let's this time give a different kind of
Very
content.
true.
So
So not only Vadivel sir's video, but also he has created for Rajinikanth sir,
Different,
Talapati Vijay sir. If you want to see more such this kind of video that we want to give the reaction on, you can definitely let us know. And yes, this Isai Pittai is a great content creator and he has done brilliant job. First of all, would like to say that, and afterwards we will tell much more after seeing the video. Okay, so let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell. So चलो शुरू करते हैं.
yes.
எவ்வளவு கூட்டம் இன்னைக்கு கலெக்ஷன் எகிரிரும் ஆகா 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 பஜக் 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 சாரி ஃபார் தி பிரேக் ஆனா புதுசா ரெடி
Listen.
That movie.
New method. கரெக்டா வந்து கலக்க கலக்க கலக்கும்ல என்ன சவுண்ட் என்னமோ ஜாலிச்ச மாதிரி சவுண்ட் கொடுக்குறேன் சவுண்ட் கொடுக்குறாங்க சவுண்ட்
Wow.
Wow, nice one. This is
Very
a musical
nice.
kind of content, remix you can say.
Remix. This is a different kind of content on Vadivel sir's content. So we thought, okay, why not to give the reaction on this
Yes.
kind of content? And
Right.
I hope you'll going to love this content. Okay.
Yes.
And yes, like the creation of the
Creation is
music
superb.
is superb. Like
Music,
each and
I-
every
I
words
like
are
that
Vadivel
music,
sir's word
yes.
only. Yeah, the music
Yes.
is very well rhythmic and it's full of fun. I think this video can be played in any kind of function or any kind of disco.
Right.
People will like becoming mad if they hear this song.
Like,
This
like
whole,
from
video.
serious dance, they will turn into some comedy kind of
Comedy
dances
kind of,
and all.
ha.
The
जो
whole
होता है ना,
mood of the party will change.
the whole mood of the party will be changed. Yes, that kind of parties like कोई ये होता है ना, जैसे कि शादी से पहले जो होता है बैचलर ट्रिप या फिर जहाँ पे बहुत सारे
Get
खुशी
together
गेट
and
टुगेदर फ्रेंड्स
friends
mainly,
get
not in the
together,
birthday parties, not in the marriage ceremony, or not in the anniversary. I'm telling about the fun kind of parties.
Yes.
This music content will be rocked over
Yes,
there,
of course,
and
of course.
definitely
And
we
definitely.
are going to try that out. Okay, if we
Yes.
have any get together with our friends, this
We
video
have-
is very
we should
much.
try this one.
We
yes.
should try that
and
one.
also
Yeah.
the expression I have seen.
Yeah.
These are no doubt.
My God,
and
he's a true
different
talent.
kind of characters we have seen.
Ha,
here. So
ha,
yeah,
ha.
I think he's never ashamed of doing any kind of
Any kind of character.
He feel
Lady
proud
also
lady
with
also,
mustache.
Everything.
My God.
He feel proud also and take it as a challenge.
Challenge,
And, Of
yeah.
course, he did the best one.
He did the best one, and we all know that we don't need any introduction or we don't need to say anything
Yes.
more about this. We know that he is a true talent, and whenever he is acting in this way, like in each and every role, whatever we have seen, like that king से लेके या फिर जो नौकर वाला रोल है या फिर वो जो लेडी वाला रोल है, each and every role में like
Everything.
incredible. Each and every roles are incredible, and I really like that Ayyo that one. That was superb, man.
Yes.
So only Vadivelu sir can do this.
Yes, of
Okay,
course,
no
no
one
doubt.
can beat him.
Yes.
I think we have seen one portion where he was looking very much similar with Charlie Chaplin, na?
Yeah, that cap and
Cap and that
mustache
he
and
is
all.
looking outstanding over
Outstanding.
there. Okay.
And I've seen like earlier he was so much lean.
Lean,
And
yes.
gradually he become a little bit healthy.
healthy.
Yes.
Ha.
But yes, his expression never changed.
Never changed. His expression was that time also outstanding. Now also outstanding. Like he is a evergreen actor.
Right.
Okay,
His
we are
face-
so
facial
proud to have him.
expression was I love it.
कैसे कर रहा था मुंह ऐसे ऐसे करके
Something like
See, you
that.
cannot do.
I
We
can't
cannot do. We cannot do.
It's only his talent.
His talent, man. Whenever we see his face like that, now we are just started laughing. Okay,
Yes.
we cannot resist ourselves. That we will not laugh, but we can't do that, right? I tried that thing. Okay, I tried that. Okay, I will open one Vadivelu sir's video and I'm
Try
just
to
pretending
make
not to laugh, but I cannot
Yes.
because
you
he
can't,
is very
you can't
much.
resist your laughter.
That is
never,
what.
never. After seeing
This is
just
the true comedian.
whenever we start his video, at the beginning only first instant we start laughing. That is
Okay,
the most remarkable thing he's giving us.
He's giving us, yes,
Right,
yes.
so-
that is what the true talent is, right,
Yes,
Abhay?
right.
So very, very much, we have enjoyed today, and,
And I think people who ever have not seen their channel, you can
Yeah,
go
you
to
can
their
go and
channel
check,
and
हाँ.
watch more videos. They are a very good content creators.
Creators,
So they
yeah.
are doing fabulous jobs. So
yeah.
you
So
check
that
it
is
out.
why I told that if you want to, want us to give the reaction on different actors, this kind of mashup, like Ajit sir bhi tha, Rajnikant and Talapati Vijay sir, we have seen a couple of. So if you want to see, you can definitely let us know. We will be like giving the reaction on those content. That is separate discussion.
Right.
But this one also, I think they have done some other videos also on Vadivelu sir. Na?
Yes, we have to check it out, and of course,
You have
either
randomly
on
chosen actually
on camera or off camera.
this one.
We are going to watch those videos also.
Of course. So yes, we really enjoyed it, and my God, मैं यही सोच रही हूँ कि ये अगर चला देता है ना कोई भी serious होके बैठा है,
Right.
okay, somebody is very sad and very depressed and kind of like
Start
that, you will
dancing.
start dancing, okay, मतलब mood instantly heal up कर देता है. This
Yes.
kind of content, I
That's true.
really
That's true.
enjoyed. Really,
Yes.
so,
We also-
truly,
me
I'm
also, I
saying,
enjoyed it.
I'm very happy
And-
that
and
we
today,
have started this
content,
series.
with this content, whatever scene, it's matching to our t-shirts also. Red,
red,
and
yeah.
the whole theme is red.
नहीं हम सोच के नहीं बैठे थे.
Yes,
It
we
is
never
okay, ना?
thought of that,
हाँ.
but yes,
We have not thought this. It
coincidentally it
coincidentally
matched.
happened.
Yes.
But yes, definitely. What I was saying this, like I was feeling, I am. Now I'm feeling very happy that we have started this
And of course,
series.
this is a
of Vadivelu
Friday
sirs.
night also, so you can enjoy this.
लेके बैठ जाओ चिप्स पकोड़ा गरमा गरम एंड कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स
No,
एंड
don't
व्हाटएवर
say,
इट
don't
इज
say it. You need to dance.
मतलब डांस करते करते इट्स काइंड ऑफ
Yes.
पार्टी मूड ओके तो घर में एकदम लाइट वाइट जला लो एंड पार्टी मूड क्रिएट कर लो एंड जस्ट डांस ओके बिकॉज टुडे इज फ्राइडे नाइट and yes I am feeling very much happy from within definitely. Okay, so yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope that you have enjoyed like anything like we did.
Yes.
And if you do so, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and yeah, now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes. So the first comment for today is from Kishore Deepak, and he's writing his comment on Vadivelu sir's second day reaction, and he's saying, please do all Vadivelu comedy scene reactions. So for your information, doing all the reaction, it's
It's
very
not possible
tough.
within one
We
week.
have to check for the copyright and all. So within 1 week it's not possible, but gradually we'll try to cover the maximum
Yeah.
how much we can.
If
And
we
also,
if we take 1 year also, it is not fulfilled.
Never.
It will be not
His
fulfilled.
career
He
is very long. I
very
think
long,
more than
and
20 years.
so that is what you can definitely understand. But
And yes, we
yes,
try-
we are trying
we'll
our
try-
level best.
Yes, and also
to
we have to
choose.
see which video is giving copyright strike. And
Because
also
strikes is a very big
very tough
factor,
one.
right,
We
for
already
all
have
of the
a-
reactors.
we already have one strike for
Active.
that Sorai Potre.
Sorai Potre,
Yes,
हाँ.
so-
So I am very much feeling very down when I think about this thing, like Sorai Putra में copyright strike देने वाला
Yes,
क्या हम
that
बोले हैं?
airport scene
It's
we
very
did,
मतलब
what
the
they have
airport
done.
scene we did, no, there we have gotten the
Right.
copyright strike.
But we got a very good response from our audience also. They
Audience,
were
but
watching
still-
it. But still And
So on YouTube don't contain this kind of thing that the audiences are report against that strike. There is nothing like that. They should be improvised their system so that the audience, if there is no problem for audience, then we can give the reactions for that.
Content creators, content whose original content are there, they are also not doing that much, but I don't know, these all are fake
Copyright strikes because he is not the owner. I am very sure about that.
But the problem with the YouTube, they didn't accept our content notifications.
That is the main problem. So that is why we are playing in a safe zone right now. You can definitely tell that. And whatever videos we are doing in Vadivellu sir's main comedy theme, I think all of them are superb. Okay, yes, and people are enjoying like anything, and we are very glad about that.
You can't say that this is super and that is not super. No, it's very tough to choose also.
That is what actually. So today's video, I am very sure, Kishore, that you will be loving, and please let us know. Okay. So thank you so much, Kishore, for your comment and for watching our videos. So the second comment for today's video is from Tamilarsan, and he's commenting on Vadivellu sir's airport comedy scenes reaction, and he's commenting, do you know Amitabh Bachchan watch Vadivellu comedy when he is sad? Oh. Okay. Wow.
I didn't know then, but yes,
that is very great thing.
Of course, that is very mind refreshing. Anybody's can watch.
Anybody. Yes. He is a celebrity. That is why we are thinking. But we also nowadays have started already to see Vadivellu sir's each and every videos, just to make our mind refreshed, and that is very much important. Okay, so thank you so much for your comment, for this information, and for watching our videos.
Yes.
So the third comment for today's video is from Gokul Krish, and he is commenting, when are you going to watch Friends movie comedy scenes? Okay, so we have already done Friends movie comedy scene in Mr. and Mrs. Pandit main channel.
Yes.
So there also Vadivellu says that is a pretty long video we have covered, right?
Yes.
And we have given a reaction, but unfortunately we got copyright strike.
But
for this
somehow few video we recovered it back.
So fortunately we recovered it back, but you can definitely see that video in our channel. It is there because we have recovered somehow. So now we cannot take any chance because again we will be getting copyright strike, and this is very bad, like this is a very sad reality of not giving proper reaction on so much
whatever the
like
users
beautiful contents, whatever you are wanting from us. But what to do, we cannot give the reaction on Friends movie. Play safe, and I think people, all of the reactors are playing safe only. Big reactors, if you see, you are having millions of subscribers, they are also telling the same thing on their channel.
And even now our audience are also much more, they can understand.
They are very understanding, they are very loving, and they always are very supportive. So you can definitely see that particular Friends movie comedy scene in Mr. and Mrs. Pandit. Please go and watch that comedy scene. Okay, you will be loving like anything. So thank you so much for your comment, Gokul, and for watching our videos. So these are all the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone who ever commented, who are our subscribers, who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.